Belle, I have something for you. You choose one. Belle, choose one. Choose one. Which one? Get one. Get one. Get one. Get one. One only. One only. What is that? Can I see?
Mommy.
What's that?
Mommy.
Oh, Manila Ocean Park. You want to go to Ocean Park?
Yes.
Yes? You want to go to Ocean Park? You want to go to Ocean Park?
Yes,
You want to go to Ocean Park?
Yes. Yes, mommy. Okay.
Show mommy.
Tubo aja nih, gitu.
Abi. Hi. Belle. Belle. Come na, halika na. Belle, let's go. Let's go.
This one? You ano? Only you. We're going there. Oh, you choose one. Where do you want to go?
Okay, lagpak. Wala natin na pinakita nila.
Brum, brum.
Room, room. Later, later, later.
We go to see the fish first, Belle.
Then the fish. Toto.
Ay, wow. Mambon. Belle, fish. Wow.
Mas marami doon din. Halika.
Let's go.
Lampir. Mas marami doon.
Wala ng fish.
Ay, iba pala kita.
Wow, Belle.
Look at me. Look. Look, Mom, look big.
Big fish.
See, I told you, no?
Yeah. Look at me.
Egg niya ba yan?
Hey, look at this here.
Egg niya ba yan? Ang liliit? Yung turtle? Itlog ba yan?
Look, big nose.
Big nose.
Where's the big nose? Big nose. Oh, there's a white fish. There's a white fish.
Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Huwag mo lapitan. Yeah.
Big nose. Where's the big nose? Where's the big nose?
Where's that? Dito ka lang yun.
Where's the big nose?
Look at me.
Fish. Hi ka sa fish.
Ano daw color yan? What color sabi ni tita?
What color is that, Ben? Hindi niya maalambik kasi ng orange.
White and? What's the big nose? Look, big nose.
Look at
Let's go inside. Ruben.
May bang kulay.
Snake, oh. Big nose again? Kasi, oh, big
Oh.
nose.
Big one here, oh, Belle. Wow. Ooh, what's that?
Say hi, this one.
Say hi.
Ooh.
Here, baby. Hi.
Ayaw niya lumapit.
Belle, look, oh, hi. Hi, fish.
Look, big.
Big fish?
Wow, big. Is it big? What's so big? What's so big?
Not me. Nagilinis siya.
Kuya, kuya na ba?
Wala, hindi ko na marinig yan. Wow, bibilis. Belle. Oh, fish. Bilis. Belle. Belle. Are you happy?
Hey, puppy.
Look, mommy. Are you happy? Nice. Hi. Bibilis. Titingnan niya, iba yung tao pa lang anong susundan niya. Hindi na niyo si ate.
Penguin, not fish.
Where's the penguin?